Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ProElite Dear flip case cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab. You can see what this particular case cover looks like. You can see the ProElite logo right on top. There's not much information on this particular packet outside the contact information right over here. You can reach the mount if you want to. Now let's open this packet and take a look at the case. One thing I should mention, this particular case is made primarily for the Samsung Galaxy Tab series. And this is what it looks like. There is a thermocol packing right inside. I'll get rid of that. Yeah, there you see. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It has a nice texture to it. It has this rugged texture to it. It's made to look like a notebook, which it's not, of course. This has a, so it's made to look like a leather notebook, leather bound notebook, but it's not. This is actually pleather, and it's the interiors are different, of course. I'll give you a closer look at the fabric. There you see this has a nice rugged texture to it. It's written well begun over here. Well begun is half done. That's great, and also the Freedom logo right over here. Okay, and this is the interiors. The interiors also has this particular texture on one side, and over here you have these hexagonal design. This is just for protection, and that's more or less it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ProElite Dear flip case cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab. Thank you for watching.